liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, as it is a plethora of goodies. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as a little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's talk about this piece right here. This is actually all from divatress.com. There's also coupons down below. Go get those coupons and save some money and be fabulous. Now, again, let's get back into this wig. When I saw this wig in this color, I was like, Riri red. I have to have it. I used to have bright red hair for over 5 years, and honestly, every once in a while, I miss it, because honestly, I feel like it's a great color for me. I loved it, but I just went platinum for a change. So like I mentioned, this is from Motown Tress, my first Motown Tress wig, and I was like really excited to try it. And honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you, I first really saw it in this color with like this really great root and this silver, and I was like, I need that one. But then I saw it in the red, the Riri red, and I was like, I have to have it in the red. Like, I have to go vibrant red, I have to. This is a human hair blend, fantastic. And of course, this is a 360 wig. So this means that this is like the holy grail of lace front wigs, as you can literally do whatever you want to them. You can part it like heavy to the left, heavy to the right, center part, or of course do an updo, because there is lace all the way around the entire wig, which is really great. This is also safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to curl it. It's a 25-inch, which says finished length, which is perfect. It's actually a really nice, perfect length. Like, it's not too long and it's not too short. It has red roots, red color, and then it's like literally, can we just, I mean, there's nothing else to say, but it's Riri red. And then look at this. Whoa, it like comes down to like this fire engine, almost fluorescent red flame color. Look at that. These waves, which I absolutely love, actually reminds me of one of my favorite Zuri wigs right here in this. It has this kind of like kinky, beachy, real amazing wave. And then also like the texture, it's a soft wig. It's really great. I really like the fullness of it. Look at the inside of the wig. So of course, here is the inside, as you can see, with this like double, I noticed the 360s have like this almost like double lacy front right here. There are two clips right here. And then let's take a more look on the inside, if I can get more on the inside right there. And if you can see all the way around. And then I did, like I said, I cut all the lace around, but the lace goes all the way around this. Also, this wig also has pre-cut little baby hairs already. So this already has them, which is pretty cool. So you can do that. I already have it fastened to the perfect length. I was just wearing it and I almost didn't want to take it off. I'm not gonna lie to you. And I was like, I have to do this review. So I have a wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that. It comes in a variety of colors and styles and whatnot. I love a nude wig cap, but of course you can choose whatever you want or not even wear one. Remember, free will, you do you. Always, always. Whatever makes you feel fabulous, go in that direction. Just go there. Don't care if no one else is there. You just go what makes you feel good. So I'm gonna back it up a little bit so I can really put this guy on. This girl. So I, of course, put it on front to back. Ooh, oh my gosh, I literally can't get over how striking she is. And of course, you just kind of rock it back and forth. Make sure she's under and she's on. Just dreamy. Just like a dream from heaven above. Okay. All right, so let's see, because I have not actually messed with her on another side. Let's give her a parting. I wonder if this is too aggressive. And then also for shedding, I feel like she sheds like a normal wig. Nothing aggressive, you know, just average. Oh, I'm done with a little side part right here. Cool, I like it. Okay, let's do the other side. You know, with these 360s, I've never actually put a 360 up in a pony. So that's something I actually would really like to do. So if any of you ladies have any pointers on how you style your 360s, I honestly would love to know about it. I wanna actually see photos of you in your 360s. So like literally send me a picture of you in them. Ooh, I like it on this side too. Definitely this wave is almost like a vintagey kind of feel right here. I love it, I dig it. And of course, as you know, all you ladies know and whatnot, that if you wanna make it a little bit more natural, you know, you can kind of thin out the front and really play with those baby hairs and like get those down by all means. Like literally, I just cut the lace off this girl, that's all I've done. So I really love it. Like literally, I'm so excited to have this piece. And oh my gosh, Motown Tress, bravo to you, bravo. And I really, really love it. And of course, like I mentioned, there are coupons down below from divatress.com. Go get this wig, maybe get it in this color too. Comes in a variety of colors, including, I'm just looking at this, an ash violet? What? I have to see that ash violet. Oh my goodness. I need to see that. So again, everyone, thank you for stopping by. Reach out to me on Instagram. I'll leave my account down here. I love to hear from you. And we will see you soon.